Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to lock your cells in Microsoft Excel. The first thing to do is to what? Select your cells together by pressing your Ctrl A. Then you right click, go to Format Cells. Then you go to Protection. Can you see locked and hidden? Automatically, this locked is already checked. So all you have to do is to what? Uncheck it and click on OK. Now, we want to lock these CGPA cells. So all you have to do is to what? Select the cell together. Right click again. Go to what? Format cells, protection. Then you click on lock. Press OK. Then you go to your view tab. Review tab rather. Then you click on what? Protect sheet. Then you put the password you want. Uh, let's say code. Press OK. Re-enter password to proceed. Code. Click on OK. Now, let's say now I want to change this 4.34 to 4.90. Let's see what will happen. Can you see? The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, can you see? Can you see? I've already locked the cell now. Can you see? Let us change this one as well to 3 points. Can you see that? Can you see that? So you have to do is to go back to unprotect sheet. Then you put the password code. So we can now change it from, let's say, 1.54. Let's change it to 3.54. Can you see that? Thank you very much for watching this video.